So we're going to change the windscreen wiper. So start by lifting it off the windscreen, and then we're going to tilt it to the side. Now on the actual bit, which you can't see, there's a little piece here, and there's like a little tab that you just push in like that, and then you're going to pull it down towards the car. So if you can see, you're put from under here, you're pushing that in, and then you're pushing the wiper down. Just like that, and that's cracked free. And then you can start to angle it like that so you can get it out. And then through this gap, you just pull it out, and now that's released. Now for the new one, it's even easier. So just tilt that slightly so it's at an angle, and then through the gap into there, and then put it like that and just push it up that way, and you should hear it click like that. And now that's changed. And then just push it back on the windscreen. Now we're going to do the same with the driver's side. So we're going to lift it up, tilt, press the button in and push down at the same time. Then once it's cracked free, pull it out, get the new one, tilt it slightly, and push it up and wait for it to click. That's it. Then you can put it down. And now you're done.
If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you want more.